Today we'll be installing Torklift camper tie downs, part number R3501, on a Ford F-350. These tie downs attach directly to your factory trailer hitch and are also a no-drill bolt-on option if you have our super hitch on your truck. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie downs are powder-coated and built to last. Today we are installing on an older Ford truck with an aftermarket hitch, so we will need to drill, which is not common for this tie down. Normally it would be a direct bolt-on. To start, place tie down frame unit up against your hitch's side plate. You want the unit as far back towards the rear of the truck as possible. Next, mark all 4 holes that will need to be drilled with a paint pen or marker. Again, drilling is not typical for this application. If you have a super hitch, you will not drill, and newer trucks will already have pre-existing bolt holes. Remove the frame unit and drill out the marked holes to 7/16 inch. Place your frame unit back up against the hitch side plate and install 1 3/8 inch by 1/2 inch grade 8 bolt through each hole. Note, this can be done from the inside out or vice versa, depending on whatever is easiest for you. Once the bolts are installed, add 1 3/8 inch flat washer, 1 lock washer, and finally 1 3/8 inch nut. Torque all hardware to 40 foot-pounds. Repeat these steps for the opposite side. Install the tie-down insert and secure using the provided 1/4 inch pins. The installation of your Torklift R3501 tie-downs is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.